Your car horn is an important safety feature that helps keep you safe on the road. When it stops working, it can be frustrating and even dangerous. There are several common reasons why your horn might fail, but many of them are easy to fix. Sometimes a blown fuse can be the reason your horn is not working. Check your fuse box. It might be inside the car or under the hood. Use a puller to take out the horn fuse and look at the wire inside. If the wire is broken or burned out, the fuse is bad and needs replacing. If the wire is still intact, the fuse is in good condition. If the wire looks fine, put the fuse back and test the horn again. A relay is a switch that opens and closes a circuit to control electrical components. If you hear a clicking sound from the relay when you press the horn and insert the relay, it means the horn switch is working. This also indicates that the relay's control side is functioning properly. To test the relay, remove it and try the horn. If the horn works without the relay, then the relay is likely faulty and should be replaced. Also, check the connector to the horn. Remove the connector and look inside for corrosion and rust. If it looks rusted, replacing it will fix the problem. A dead horn unit is a common reason why your car horn may stop working. This can happen due to rust, dirt, or old age. If the horn does not sound when powered directly, it usually means the horn needs to be replaced. Sometimes, the car horn does not work because the car's battery is dead or low on power. If the battery cannot give enough electricity, the horn will not sound. So, it is important to check the battery first before looking at other problems. Sometimes dust and debris get inside the steering wheel where the horn button is. You can gently open the steering wheel cover. Then check if everything looks clean and if the wires are connected well. If any wire is loose, fix it and test the horn. Also look the clock spring. That is a part inside the steering wheel that helps the horn work. If it breaks, the horn may stop working. It is better to let a mechanic fix it, because it is connected to the airbag and can be tricky to handle safely. By checking the fuse, relay, wiring, and the horn itself, you can often find and fix the problem quickly. If you are unsure, or the problem is more complicated, a professional mechanic can help get your horn back in working order.